Ryobi's Brushless Impact Wrench is a must-have for any keen DIY mechanic. Our technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium-plus battery technology to deliver up to 60% more runtime in a compact and lightweight impact wrench. It's perfect for working in confined spaces under your car and delivers 270 Nm of torque for a whole range of automotive applications, all the way from entry-level DIY work like changing the battery, replacing the oil, air filter, or spark plugs, right up to more technical work such as maintaining your brakes, replacing ball joints, and even repairing parts of your suspension system. It has intelligent control as well. Autostop mode has been designed to automatically tighten wheel nuts to 120 Nm for quick and easy tire changes. And in reverse, it removes the wheel nuts with greater control. Tri-beam LEDs illuminate the work area, preventing shadow and dark spots on bits and fasteners. A 1/2 inch or 13 mm square drive with pin indent makes this a versatile tool, capable of pairing with both socket sets and hex bits, thanks to the adapter also included. When used with our 2.5 amp-hour lithium-plus battery, the Ryobi Brushless Impact Wrench can remove up to 96 21 mm nuts. This brushless impact wrench is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of over 100 great tools for your home and garden, this compact brushless impact wrench will work with any OnePlus battery.